Hi guys, today I wanted to walk you through how to make a Spotify code for a floating frame, an album cover. So you go to Spotify, you click on web player, and then you type in the search, the song you want to use. And then, so here I am clicking Moana. And then I scroll down, find the song, go to the three dots, copy song link, click that. Okay, and then you go to spotifycodes.com and you paste the link into there and push get Spotify code. Then you go over here and you change the format to SVG to have your cutter cut it out and then download. You save the file to your computer and then you're going to close that out. Open up Cricut and upload. So here you're going to find where you saved it. Open it up. You're going to rename it. I'm renaming it to the song that I chose so I can clearly find it if I want to make this album cover again. So I love this song. It's my favorite. Okay, and then I'm putting some tags in. Don't mind your disk is almost full. Notice that keeps popping up. Need to transfer more things to my external hard drive. Alright, so then here we are. So I did this a little bit different. It's been a while since I've been using the Cricut design software, so I brought it into Cricut Design Space. Then I'm going to hide the black behind it because I don't want that to cut. I just want the pretty code to cut. Then, alright, and I also opened up this free SVG file that I got from pocketwonders.ca website. Alright, and then you see me open up the Spotify code. I hide the black box and I move it up above the text and size it so that it is even on both sides. Alright, and then really that's all you gotta do. So now oh yeah, don't forget, like I did here, you gotta attach it. You gotta make sure that it stays all in one place on your mat. So I group it together, and then what you do is you can make a weeding box. So you open up shapes, click the square, get this gray box and unlock it. There you go. Place it over your image, stretch it over just enough to cover it. Then you want to send it to the back. Alright, and then you're going to select all of it, and sometimes it's tricky. Select all and push attach. Okay, so it attaches and then it looks like that, and then you hit make it. You put the vinyl on your mat, make sure that it covers the area that it shows that that's where it's going to be cut from. And make sure your device is connected. All the fun stuff that you forget to do when you're trying to make a YouTube video. Okay, then I go to popular, hit vinyl, load your mat up, and then once the flashing C goes on, you push cut. There you go. Hope this helps.